Today we are going to solve this question, minimum number of pushes to type word. This is a medium level question. So in this question basically uh, they will give you a word and we have to find the minimum number of types we can do so that we get this number. So let's see how we will proceed to this question. Let's assume that this is a word. And first we have to take the letter frequency array we have to take. In this letter frequency we initially we have all the values as 0 because we have to take the length of the array as 26 because the number of letters in the English alphabet is 26. And then in the next step we have to take this char c word to char array. The word is the name of the array which is in the string data type. To char array, this is a method. Like if we take the example of hello, this can be written as if we write in this format, the string will be splitted into characters h separately, e, l, l and o, and this is stored, this is given as a value for this array, letter frequency array. C minus A. Why we wrote this C minus A is, as we know, the ASCII values of A to Z are from 97 to 122 consecutively. Like for A it is 97, B is 98 and so on. So if we subtract A from any character, we'll get the normalized form, like from 0 to 25. For A it is 0, like that. If we take H minus A is 7, like that we'll get. If we take like this 7, e minus a will get 4, like that we'll get here. Initially, as I said, every the frequency array will be having zeros. The frequency array means that how many times the corresponding element is occurring in the string. That is the meaning of the frequency array. Here as we can see, L is appearing two times. No, at the position of L we'll get the number as 2. At H we'll get 1, E as 1, L two times it is there, so we'll get the value as 2, and at O we'll get 1 only, like that. See here, the value of I minus A is 97. Now if you subtract, we'll get the normalized values from 0 to 25. Okay. Now, after writing the frequency array, what we need to, the basic idea is how many times, writing the frequency array is how many times a particular element is repeated, particular letter is repeating in the string, the word which is given. After that, we need to sort it in the reverse order. Actually, when we use the sort method, we get the numbers in the descending order, like from 0 it will be in an increasing order. So if we take the in the reverse order, it will be from decreasing order, means from big to high, 5 5 to 1 1 0 0, like that. It converts this type of array to this, from big to small. And then how to calculate the sum means, in the question they are asking the minimum number of types. So if we take the standard keys, we'll have the eight values, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For 8 keys we can put the digits here, means letters. For A, if we want to output A, we'll press only one time. If F, we'll press two times, like that. So we got the frequency array, right? How many times, the more number of times it is coming, will place that element as a first element, and correspondingly the next element as a second element. So we need to divide it by 8 plus 1, and then into sorted array means this, we need to multiply it with this, like that. Okay, so let's understand it better. This is a word which is given. First step is to write the frequency array. If we write the frequency array, as we know, the first one at index 0 it is A. At index 2 it is B, C, D. As we can observe that there are no A, B, C, D here. They are only X, Y, Z and X, Y, Z. So all these corresponding to A to X are A to W are nothing. X, Y, Z, they are there. How many x are there? 4. In the frequency array, at the position of x, it will be updated as 4. At position of y, it will be updated as 4 because there are 4 y's, and at the position of z, there are 4 z's. So in the frequency array, we'll have the digit 4. After writing the frequency array, as I said, we need to sort it in the reverse order. So it will go in decreasing order, bigger number first. So we'll write the sorted array. The main purpose of writing this sorted array is, as we know, if we are if we want to type the same number of many times, that should be placed at first position only, no, so we can press only one time. If the most occurring digit is at the third position, we need to press it triple times, so the complexity will be more. That's why we need to sort it in the reverse manner. And then we should initialize the sum as 0 first, and we have to add. This is a value of I, because if there are more numbers, only 8 will be there. We can place only 8 element at the first position, and the next 8 elements at the next position, and the next least number of occurrence in the frequency array will be placed at the last position. According to that, we'll write 1 by 8 plus 1 into 4. The second index, 2 by 8 plus 1 into 4. This 4 will be there. Like that we have to write. This is the final answer. 12 is the final answer. That's it. Let's implement this. First we are taking the array of integer type. This is a frequency array. So new, what is the length of it? The digits of number of digits in the English alphabets. Now we are taking, as it is a character string, here it is a string, right? So we are converting it into character. We are taking character by character. How we can take it? Words dot, we have to convert into character, to char array. Okay, this is a method. Frequency, we have to write c minus a, so that we'll get the normalized form of the index between 0 to 26. We'll take it as integer because we use the collection framework to find the reversed sorted array. Okay, integer 26. It is same actually, but we'll replace int with integer. That's it. For int I equal to 0, I is less than sorted dot length I plus plus. Okay, then sorted is same actually. First we have to they are same frequency, and this is same. After this we need to sort it in the reverse order. Arrays dot sort, this will give the normal sort, but we want um, reversed sort. So sorted, name of the array, and we have to use collections dot reverse O capital order. Okay, that's it. Int total sum, this is a final thing which we need to return. 0. For int I equal to 0, I is less than sorted dot, instead of writing sorted dot length, we can replace it as 26 also, but it's okay. Sorted, if sorted of I, if it is equal to 0, we no need to do anything, just we need to break it. Okay, else we need to add this sum. As I said, only we can fit 8 only 8 will be there, no, so we need to divide it by 8. Okay. All can't be at the first position, right? So we need to divide it by 8 because 8 functional things will be there as I showed you. Sorted. I. We need to return this sum. See, return total sum. Okay. I hope everything is clear. Let's run it once. Yeah, accepted. Okay, that's it. This is a medium level question. Okay, good. Thank you. Let's meet in the other video.